Good job. Would you like me to add water?
Sure.
Okay. Do you know where the office it came? Do you remember where these came from?
Yeah.
Where? What part of the office?
Processing.
Yeah, what part? The front or the back
The
of the office?
front.
Good job. Okay.
Now that we trim the bamboos, now we trim a little bit roses. Before we trim the roses, we gotta pick the holes away.
Outstanding. That's not tangled at all. I think we're good. I think that's great. Awesome.
Yeah.
You got it. Okay, careful. Yeah.
I didn't cut my hand.
Yeah, not yet, but there's always the next one.
1, 2, 3. Uh-oh. Don't say bye, you cute.
Yeah. Okay, good. Nope, that's good. That's good. Leave it. It's in there. That's good. Good job. Good. Clip it. Yeah. Again, clip.